Hello, good morning. We started our second lesson in science, force, work, and energy. And there we learned what is force. A push or a pull applied on a body is called force, and effects of force. I told you to by heart this six effects of force. Have you done it? If you if you did not learn, you should learn it today itself. And today we are learning about types of forces. There are two types of forces acts every time, that are gravitational force and frictional force. I'll take a small topic, otherwise it is very difficult to learn. So today we are learning gravitational force and frictional force. First we are discussing gravitational force. Gravitational force. Okay, then if I'm throwing this marker pen up, it comes down. See, it comes down. Why it is so? Have you ever thought? If you are throwing a ball up, that comes down. Why it is so? Due to gravitational force. Then this happens because the earth pulls all the objects towards it. Why this marker pen is coming down? Because the earth pulls it towards it. Earth pulls all the objects towards it. So that only we can stand on the earth, and that ripe fruits falling down, all these caused by the gravitational force. Then what is gravitational force? The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force or gravity. Gravitational force or gravity. What it is called? Gravity. Gravitational force or gravity. All of you mark this and learn this. What is gravitational force? What is gravitational force? The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force or gravity. Even when an object is at rest, force of gravity acts on it. If this now see, now this marker pen is in rest, then now also what force is acted on this? Gravitational force is acted on this. Then gravitational force is applied by the earth on all objects. ഗ്രാവിറ്റേഷണൽ ഫോഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എർത്ത് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫോഴ്സ് ആണ്. എർത്ത് എപ്പോഴും അതിൻ്റെ സെൻറ്ററിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ ഒബ്ജക്ട്സിനെ അട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും വിത്ത് ദ ഗ്രാവിറ്റേഷണൽ ഫോഴ്സ് ഓർ ഗ്രാവിറ്റി. സോ you should learn the definition gravity from here. What is gravity? The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force. And if you are crying, your tears falling down, why it is so? The earth pulls your tears to it, so the tears falling down. And if you are crying in space, it will not come down. Why it is so? Because in space there is no gravitational force, so everything flying in space due to the lack of gravitational force. The next is frictional force. Next one is frictional force. What it is? Frictional force. Next force we are learning frictional force. And if you are rolling a ball through a floor, then after some time you can see the ball itself stops moving. Eh? This is called frictional force. Frictional force stops a moving object. And see, when you roll a ball on a floor, it gradually slows down and stops. Why does it stop? It stops due to friction. Then friction is a force that tries to stop a moving object. So what is friction? Friction is a force that tries to stop a moving object. It acts between objects that are in contact with each other. The rolling ball slows down and finally stops due to friction. So today I am taking only these two types of forces. All of you read from the beginning and by heart. Now 4 answers you have to learn. Which are they? First you have to learn what is force, then effects of force, then gravitational force, then frictional force or friction. ഈ 4 കാര്യങ്ങൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് പഠിച്ചിരിക്കണം, ഇന്ന് തന്നെ പഠിക്കണം. Okay, then multiple choice questions given. See first one, a ball thrown upwards falls down due to what? Frictional force, gravitational force, magnetic force. The answer is gravitational force. And which of the following can speed up a moving object? Air, force, friction. Which of the following can speed up a moving object? Which of the following can speed up a moving object? A force. Force can speed up a moving object. Mark the answer force. Okay, all of you read the text and learn 4 questions. All of you write these questions in your textbook. What is force? Effects of force? What is gravitational force? And what is frictional force? Write this 4 questions only in your notebook and learn answers from the text. Again I am repeating the question. What is force or define force? Effects of force, gravitational force. What is called gravitational force? What is frictional force? ഈ 4 ആൻസറും ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ.